In the last 2 years, we have added a significant number of new programs. That's the biggest shift. What's in demand, what is needed, and how can we get there to support students and the region that we serve? Making sure that our programs are producing graduates that industry needs.
We have an area of Alberta that is almost like the economic driver of the province. And the opportunity to develop our skilled trades in this area is incredibly important.
We are generating a lot of resources from this area, and we need those trades which benefit the entire province.
The workforce pressures we're finding puts pressure on a lot of different systems. It's trying to get the people now to actually be able to do the work.
It's extremely important for a region like ours that is continually growing to not rely on temporary workforces. Training that local workforce here means that they're more likely to stay here.
We cannot afford to have our talent be trained in other parts of Alberta and then risk them not coming back.
If we do this locally, people tend to stay. They get connected to the area. We have great culture here in the north, and then they sort of family. And so you're getting ground into the community.
Consolidating our programs to one campus, to one area, creates a tremendous amount of opportunity for us to focus in the area where students want education, where industry wants trained graduates. There's no other institution in the province that can say all of their skilled trades facilities have been upgraded in the last 2 years, but we can.